If you're experiencing pending transfers on Zelle, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Zelle account and navigate to the transaction history. Look for the pending transfer and note any details, such as the recipient and the amount. Step 2. Confirm recipient information. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number to ensure it is correct. An incorrect entry can lead to delays in processing the transfer. Step 3. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers may take a little longer due to bank processing times. Wait for a few hours or until the next business day to see if the transfer completes automatically. Step 4. Contact your bank. If the transfer remains pending, reach out to your bank's customer service. They can provide insights into any issues with your account or the transfer itself. Step 5. Resend the transfer. If the transfer is still pending after confirming all details and waiting, consider canceling the pending transfer and resending it. Make sure to verify all information before sending again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Zelle effectively. If issues persist, consider seeking further assistance from Zelle support.